Hi, I'm Naila. I work in customer support here at Asters, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Twitter profiles into Asters. Once you log in, you arrive to your dashboard, and then from here you can just click on Connect on the upper right corner. And then from here we will have just to scroll down until I find Twitter, and then I can just click on Connect Social. Here it will actually ask me to enter my credential. I've already tried to connect it before, so that's why it's kind of saved. Let me know if I do sign out. That's how you will see it. So it's actually will ask you to enter your email and password. Let me do it as well. Here we go, and then you just click on authorize. And here you see that you can add the profile. Click confirm, and then you will choose a default workspace unless you want to select a specific workspace you want to connect it to. To understand better how workspaces work, there is a specific article here in the Help Center. You can go and check it out. For now, let's leave the default workspace and click confirm. Here I will see that my profile has been connected correctly. So that's all. If you need anything, you can contact me here in the chat, or you can write me at support@asters.ai, and I wish you a great day.